Hello friends, welcome to the Infotech Zone. Imagine it's a quiet Sunday morning. You got pancakes on the griddle, bacon sizzling and coffee brewing. But suddenly, the syrup bottle slips, the eggshell cracks wrong, and somehow your paper towel roll is playing hide and seek. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there are genius little gadgets out there in 2025 that could save your morning and your sanity? Today we're diving into 6 must-have kitchen gadgets that are clever, quirky, and totally life-saving. Let's explore one by one. Number 1. Paper towel holder. Friends, have you ever fumbled with a paper towel roll while your hands were covered in barbecue sauce or cookie dough? Yeah, we've all been there. But this game-changing paper towel holder is here to save your kitchen and your sanity. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's lighter and stronger than stainless steel. Waterproof, rust-proof, and tough enough to survive even your busiest family cookouts. Install it your way. Stick it on in seconds or drill it in for the long haul. Vertical, horizontal, bathroom, garage, RV, it fits everywhere. And hey, it's not just for paper towels. Use it for foil, towels, even your favorite grilling tools. It's the small upgrade your kitchen didn't know it needed, but definitely deserves. Number 2. Egg piercer. Let's be real, peeling boiled eggs is basically a crime scene. Cracking shells, flying bits, ruined eggs, but not anymore. Meet the egg piercer, your tiny but mighty kitchen hack you never knew you needed. Just press the large end of your egg on the stainless steel needle before boiling, and boom! Shells practically slide off after cooking. No more cracked eggs, no more mess. This gadget is made from durable food-grade materials and designed with a safety lock so you don't accidentally poke yourself grabbing cereal. Smart, right? It's small, it's simple, and it's kind of a hack that makes you go, why didn't I get this sooner? Perfect eggs, zero frustration, every single time. Number 3. Jar Spatula. Have you ever wrestled with a peanut butter jar like it owes you money? Say goodbye to wasted spreads and hello to Splatipus, the jar spatula that's here to save your snacks and steal your heart. Crafted by the award-winning OTOTO studio, this adorable little guy slides into every last corner of your jam, jelly, or Nutella jar like a pro. No mess, no waste. Just pure snack time satisfaction. Made from 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, Splatipus is safe, flexible, dishwasher-friendly, and fun as heck. It's the kitchen buddy you never knew you needed. Perfect as a gift or just to treat yourself. Because adulting is way better with cute, quirky tools that actually work. Splatipus, bringing the fun back to functional, one jar at a time. Hit that like button if you really like the gadget. Number 4. Soup Ladle. Friends, from the depths of your soup pot rises a legend. Meet Jumbo Nessie, your new soup-slinging sidekick. This isn't just any ladle, it's a giant spoonful of joy. Whether it's chicken noodle or chili night, Nessie's got your back. This is heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and always standing tall. This ladle doesn't just serve, it serves looks too. Perfect for kitchen lovers, quirky gift givers, or anyone who wants to make dinner just a little more magical. Because why scoop soup when you can summon it with Nessie? Order now and let's soup up together. Number 5. Crumb Sweeper. My dear party lovers, after a delightful meal, the last thing you want is a messy table. Enter the Colonel Cook Crumb Sweeper, your secret weapon for a pristine dining experience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this sleek tool effortlessly glides over your tablecloth, whisking away crumbs without a trace. Its compact design and handy clip make it a favorite among restaurant servers and home entertainers alike. No more shaking out tablecloths or chasing crumbs with napkins. It's not just a tool, it's the finishing touch to your dining ritual. So, ready to elevate your hosting game? Discover the magic here. Colonel Cook Crumb Sweeper on Amazon.com. Do check the link before proceeding toward the next gadget. Number 6. Emergency Fire Blanket. Hey, cooking lovers. Kitchen fires can ignite in an instant. And are you prepared to act just as fast? Not up till now? No worries! Introducing the Emergency Fire Blanket, your first line of defense against unexpected flames. Made from 100% flame-retardant woven fiberglass, it withstands temperatures up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 580 degrees Celsius. Its innovative design smothers fires by cutting off oxygen, extinguishing flames in seconds without the mess of traditional extinguishers. This gadget is lightweight, reusable, and easy for anyone to deploy. So you can just pull, cover, and the fire's out. Perfect for your kitchen, grill, car, or camping gear. Don't wait for an emergency to realize you're unprepared. Equip your home with the Emergency Fire Blanket today. That's it for today. Do comment which gadget you like the most. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for all gadget updates. See you in the upcoming video. Till then, order your favorite gadgets. Links available in the description box.